Hi, my name is Jacqueline Callis, and today I will be showing you guys how to play my board game. This board game is used for a multi-purpose subject games. You can use it for multiple subject games. Before I start explaining my game, I want to say the topics, the topic which I got. The topic was Earth and Space Science. The subtopics were the universe, and then the learning outcome was the one that we took out from the 501 Academy, which was 303. Identify and describe the components of the universe and give examples of how changes in one part of the universe affect other parts of the Earth's system and solar system. So, I will start introducing my game. So, we have the board game itself. Then we have the 4 tokens. So each player will have 4 tokens. Then we have the cards, the deck of cards. Then we have the dice. Over this side we have the game instructions, which is detailed with the specific instructions that you should follow during the game, the rules and the regulations. Then over this side we have the answer sheet. So the answer sheet has to be used from one person, meaning that the person outside of the game will be managing the time and will be verifying the answers, that the questions will be here and the one person will be verifying the answers in the answer sheet and taking the time. So the game goes like this. So each person will choose their color and they will place their 4 tokens in the board game. Once they have finished placing their tokens in the board game, each player will throw their dice, and for example, each one of them will throw their dice, and for example, let me say that I got the highest. So I will move my token 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will draw a card. For example, this says pull 2 cards. So the instructions are that I am supposed to pull 2 cards more of the deck card. So I will pull 2 cards more. So I will have 2 questions to answer. And okay, so the first question is true or false. The moon produces its own light. True or false? So I will say it's false because the moon doesn't provide its own light, and the person in charge of the answer sheet is supposed to check if the answer is correct. So if you can see, we have in each card there's a number at the bottom. So the person in charge of the answer sheet will come and find the number 21 and will verify the answer. Like this one is false. So if the answer is correct, you stay in your place. But if you answer the answer incorrectly, or you exceed the limit time, that's why a person will be timing. If you exceed your limit time, that is 10 seconds, you will have to go back to where your starting position again. So yeah, that's basically it. So as you can see, you have to go all around until you reach to your home base triangle. So you have to carry all your 4 tokens to your home base triangle, one by one, or you can decide to play it both at the same time. Both of your tokens you can play at your same time, depending on you. But the disadvantage of this, that if you play your tokens at the same time, you have a higher chance that, for example, if one of my tokens are here and the other player is falls in the same space as you, you have to go back until your home base, because no one can be in the same home base as you. So that's the only disadvantage. If other people reach to you and they land in the same space as you, well, you have to go back to your home base. Yeah, so that's basically it. And once you have brought all of your tokens to your home base triangle, well, you win. But while answering the questions of science. Yeah. So I chose this game, because the science board game, because it's designed to reinforce understanding of our solar system, which is essential for standard 3 students. At this level, students are introduced to the solar system and its components, including how many planets are there, their characteristics. The game provides a fun, interactive way for students to learn about the different planets, helping students to gain valuable knowledge about our world. So I chose the Ludos game, which I renamed the AstroMath, integrating both math and science, because it's an engaging game and it's not commonly played here in Belize, which I believe captures students' attention more. I chose Ludo's game because it easily lends itself for teaching our solar system, and one of the best parts that I believe of this game is that students have the opportunity to them checking their own answers, which provides them a sense of responsibility and as well valuable skills in our daily lives, because it's helping us being truthful, and being responsible of something makes you feel better. So it's important life skills. So I believe I tried my best to make this game age appropriate, fun, engaging for our class level. This game aims to boost our students' confidence in learning about planets and its components, creating a positive attitude towards science. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy my game.